Most people, if they know it at all, recognize silicon from the infamous Silicon Valley, the place known for paving the way in technological advancements like smartphones and the internet, and the home of tech giants such as Google and Apple. This, of course, was all made possible because of the intriguing element silicon. Silicon is one of the most common elements found in the Earth's crust. Oxides of silicates make up sand, which covers beaches, deserts, and the ocean floor. Silicates also include quartz and act as a polishing agent in toothpaste. It really is everywhere. This sand and this glass are basically the same thing, just with a slightly different arrangement of atoms. The chemical name of this substance is silica, made of silicon dioxide. Silica structure is based off of a tetrahedral arrangement of a silicon atom bonded to 4 oxygen atoms. This arrangement can then grow on to form two-dimensional structures like sheets or three-dimensional crystals. With 4 valence electrons and a part of the carbon group, silicon is a metalloid, an element with properties of both metals and non-metals. Pure silicon is a hard, dark gray solid with a metallic luster and with structure the same as that of the diamond form of carbon, to which silicon shows many chemical and physical similarities. Silicon, like carbon, is relatively inactive at ordinary temperatures, but when heated, it reacts vigorously with the halogens. As is true with carbon, the bonds in elemental silicon are strong enough to require large energies to activate. In the chart shown, you can see some other properties of the element, such as the atomic number, the atomic weight of 28.086 AMU, the melting point of 1410 degrees Celsius, the boiling point of 2355 degrees Celsius, the density of 2.33 grams per cubic centimeter, and the oxidation state. To make a long story short, silicon is one of the most common elements on the Earth's crust. It is in the carbon group, meaning it has 4 valence electrons, and it is in period 3. Basically, this means that silicon can't lose or gain electrons to form free ions, so it can only form covalent bonds. The properties of the group vary greatly, but some properties like catenation and structure remain similar. Silicon atoms can bond with other atoms to form sheets or crystals similar to that of diamond, which is made from carbon. To learn even more about the wonders of this element, you can spot me wearing this shirt on campus. Thank you very much.